Yes guys, what is going on, and welcome back to another video. As you can see, we're at Motech Performance, and today we're going to be fitting springs and spacers on our cheap BMW M4. Now, as mentioned, the arch gap, you can see it needs work, and you can see the rear. Oh Lord, have mercy on my soul. So we are obviously going to be whacking a set of springs on the car to bring it down. But now if we go from the side, you can see the wheels, they are missing. And with the BMW M4 and the M3, the F80 chassis for sure, having these wide ass hips, we've got to make sure we give them a little kiss. So we're probably going to whack some spacers on as well. But yeah, to begin with, this car is not a bad looking. Okay, so lovely. He's just destroyed the video. He hasn't got a mic, so he probably can't talk. But this is Mike, everyone. How's it going, Mike? Yeah, you don't need a mic because he's the main mic. Okay.
First impressions of the car?
Yeah.
Brilliant. Best thing you brought.
100%.
Yeah. I love an F82.
Yep.
I love a non-compact as well.
Okay.
They're quite nice. I like the wheels.
Yep.
These are just really good value. Don't get me wrong. Can't say good value when the cars are 20, 25 grand. That doesn't mean things, but you get a lot of car for your money.
100%.
They just need a few bits. The 19-inch wheels I actually prefer. I think that I like on the original M2 that you had these. But a bit too high.
100%.
You've already got some of the carbon kit onto it. You've already got the M Performance exhaust.
Yep.
The M Performance exhaust still keeps the cats in, so you can go slightly louder. But for you tracking it, this is probably quite good.
Yeah, probably the safest option.
But yeah, as a whole, really good package out the box.
Something I was going to say is that previously we always spoke, and this is the guy that speaks a lot of sense. Mike is very business orientated. He won't say it, but he is very knowledgeable. And we spoke one time about getting a car that is like an employee, and that has stuck with me till this day. And I even said it in my video. I know Mike doesn't watch my videos because he's a busy man.
I do.
But I said in the video, this car is an employee for me. Number one, it serves me a purpose, but number two, it's doing okay on the channel so far. So
that's the smart way to think about things. That's how we look at cars. We look at them as employees, how much you can get from the car, how much it has to return on investment.
Exactly.
But for this, you've got yourself at a base and you can build up.
100%.
So look at it, how many videos you can do. If you can make 20 videos out of this, then you can do that. If you go and buy a brand new G82, might prefer that car, but there's maybe only 5 to 10 videos, so you have to look at content.
100%.
And when you're buying a car like this, you do want to find flaws in it. You do want to see broken rear springs.
Exactly.
Yeah, I do watch your videos.
It does.
Do you know why they break?
Why?
Because the powder coating on them cracks, steel oxidizes and snaps.
There we go. Professor Mike at his best. But yeah, guys, as Mike says, it's freezing, so let's go inside and get this done.
Perfect.
While I'm here, have a look at this beast. You know when they say you could eat your dinner off it, you definitely could. And we have the main man himself, who's obviously put the elbow work in on this. So just talk to me, what has been done on this, mate?
So this car came to us, it was not in the worst condition, it was in a bit of a way. So what we've done to this is a full correction. We've also gone round with Crystal Serum Ultra, which is a G10 product, which coats it for 9 years with guarantee, and it's also got EXO on top, which makes it easy to clean, which gives it this real nice gloss where it looks
100%, 100%. And this sort of package, is something that needs to be done over 2-3 weeks, or what's the average turnaround time?
So the turnaround time for this was 5 days.
Okay.
Yeah, so the first day we get it washed, second day comes in and we just spend a whole day machine polishing, runs into the third, then we start coating in the third day, fourth day, still coating, fifth day interior and final little touches.
Okay, and something like, I don't know, a cheap BMW M4 with, say, 100,000 miles, is that something you'd be interested, or is it probably going to be like, it's too much work, or, okay.
No, yeah, definitely. There's nothing 100%. Really we can't do when it comes to detailing, so yeah.
100%. So guys, stay tuned, because potentially, in this exact bay, the M4 might be here very soon. And here we go. Look at it sat there. Guys, talk to me. Talk to me. If you're looking for the stunts, there it is, baby. Oh yes, give it to them. So the mission has been accomplished. Look at her sat there. So we've got the Motech F8X springs, meaning you can find these springs for your M2, M3 and M4. And we've also got some spacers front and back. Make sure you hit up Motech, because Motech will give you the exact package that you need. But guys, the arch gap is no longer present. So before, you could put probably your whole fist in there, but now 2 fingers, lovely. On the rear, can we do one finger on the rear, and it sits perfectly with the spacers. It comes out just the right amount. Something that the boys did mention is that probably some arch guards could be on the cards along with some rear PPF, but the car is absolutely filthy, so excuse that for pictures. But at some point we will be back here again with Steve from Motech Detailing to get her, I don't know, back to her best. But being brutally honest, if this doesn't look good, I will slap you in your chops. Much better. Oh, compliancy. Oh yes, compliancy. This is, thank you, Mike. Thank you, Michael. God bless your heart. So we are running spacers front and rear and the Motech springs. So they are different than your standard I-back spring, which they do as well. The spring rate on these is slightly firm. I said to Mike, obviously he knows this car is going to be more of a track car than a daily car, so we've decided to go for the Motech springs simply because they are firmer and they suit what I'm going to do. Even if I take it out of my M mode and back into everything, actually with this you've got to press comfort twice, a bit annoying. Now this thing just floats. Steering is light. Any crests in the road or crevices, it just goes over them like a dream. So it doesn't make the car crashy. Looks wise, come on now, let me put some B-roll on this screen right now. Guys, look at how it is sat. It's an absolute no-brainer. Clearance is fine, I'm still going to be able to go over bumps. Either way, I haven't got one of those stupid expensive splitters, so this splitter probably can bend a little bit, so I don't really mind if it does get scraped, but it's not going to catch anyway because the rake is spot on, the looks is spot on, and it's Motech, guys, come on, they've got a catalogue. Their Instagram is a catalogue. Have a look there, see what you like, get it bought, make sure you get it done. This feels a lot more compliant over bumps. I can just chuck it around this bend. The car doesn't want to roll as much. Oh, mate. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. This is spot on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. This is what we want. Hey, this is what we want. Hey, this is what we want. Oh, yes. Motech. Smashed it out of the park. Home run, lads. Home run. Jay, you get a shout as well, Jay, for the B-roll. You didn't do any B-roll for me, but probably doing B-roll right now as we're talking. And yeah, stop using Mike's washing equipment to wash your car, mate. Talking of washing, I'm hopefully gonna get this tidied up because you can see it's filthy and it's black. So if you don't have something good on it, it's gonna scratch, but I digress. We'll be back up at Motech for some other bits and something that's gonna drastically, I've got to be careful with that word, I get it wrong, drastically improve, which is going to financially improve? Yeah, drastically. Drastically is bad, but drastically normally means big, isn't it? Yeah, that guy's chest was drastic now. All right. Which is going to improve hugely this car. So I'm very excited to get back up there sooner rather than later. So guys, I'm going to end the video here. If you have enjoyed the video, please smash the thumbs up button. It helps the channel and means a lot to me, more than you can imagine. So please go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And as usual, guys, I hope you're having a great weekend, a great week, a great day, and I will see you, oh God, this car in the next one. Whew, God bless. Oh man, I love it. I absolutely love it.